Hey, it's lunchtime and I decide to talk to you while I'm eating. So you know that food is medicine. So, and you should always ensure that your food is balanced, that your plate is balanced. I'm having a falafel wrap. Here it is. And if you can see here, what do you see? You see red, yellow, and green vegetables here. I have a lot of beets. Beets are great for heart health. Beets have nitrites, which convert into nitric oxide to widen the blood vessel, lower your blood pressure, increase blood flow to the heart, to the brain, and just everywhere. I have my carrots with my beta carotenoids there, and I have my green leafy vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables, great for not only for heart health, brain health, but also great to decrease cancer or decrease your risk for cancer. Okay, guys, all right, let me fix my hair. It's okay. Not very formal today. And of course, I have my carbohydrate here because you do need some carbs, good carbs in your diet. I also have my lentil soup. No, I don't think I can finish all of this. But I also have my lentil soup. This is my red lentil soup. I do love soup. So if you know me very well, you know that I'm always drinking soup. This is filled with protein and fiber. It has red lentils filled with good carbohydrates, great protein. I have my carrots and my green leafy here as well. So if you want to lose weight, this is where you should be consuming your meals, mostly vegetables. If you have diabetes, this is great for you. If you have heart disease and you don't want to have heart disease, if you have cancer, this is what you should be consuming. Most of your plate should be vegetables, and you want to have great amount of good protein, plant-based protein, which is great for your health. Delicious. I have this sauce here with my my wrap, and you know, in this sauce I have nuts. I have cashew nuts and other delicious food items. So this is fantastic. I have my falafel. I didn't show you that, made with chickpeas. So this is actually complete. Sorry guys, I'm eating. This is actually complete. So it's a balanced meal filled with micronutrients, great macronutrients, good phytochemicals to fight any disease. So guys, if you have any problem, whether diabetes, hypertension, this is where you should be consuming your meals. Really good.